Fun fact, the first smartphone didn't have apps like today's phones, but it did have a built-in calendar and a calculator. It weighed about 1 pound, much heavier than modern smartphones. If you could design a smartphone, what features would you include? How do you think smartphones help us in our daily lives? Fun fact, the largest pumpkin ever grown weighed over 2,700 pounds. Imagine carving a jack-o'-lantern from that giant pumpkin. What kind of face would you carve on your jack-o'-lantern? Why do you think people like to make them for Halloween? Pause and discuss with your class or leave a comment with your answer. And that's today's sticky note fact. Remember to like and subscribe and have a great day.